childhood, while dealing with electrical appliances, we must have experienced the shock. And that's where we thought, why not to explain what is current. Now, current is something that you cannot see, and that's where you have to rely on modeling. We would try to explain how a sine wave is formed with the help of simple straws. Also, we see a lot of motors around us, AC motor, DC motor. So we thought of explaining the concept of working motor as well, how it works, and that's where we would build a simplest motor in the world and would explain also its working, and you would see more interesting things in this video. Let's have a look.
Piyush uncle,
Hey Sania, what happened? You look so worried.
my electric toy car is not working. Can you help me in fixing it?
I think it's the problem with the motor this toy car has. How about me explaining you how the electric motor works and then you can try fixing it by yourself?
Yes.
Yeah, these electric motors are great inventions for us. Be it the food processor, mixer, your toy car, or be it even this fan, this all works on the electric motor. And I think we can make a electric motor by ourselves. Yes, we would need a battery, two safety pins. We would also need a magnet, a thick rubber band. Now for this rubber band, I cut the tire tube of my bicycle, and a copper wire. You need a winding of this. How would you do that? You simply have to wind the copper wire around the battery and just take it out. So at first you just fix this rubber band onto battery. Fix these safety pins on each side of the terminal. Place a magnet on this. And just fix this copper coil. This electric motor converts electric energy into mechanical energy. When a current passes through the cell from the safety pins into the coil now holds a current, as found by the great astrophysicist Michael Faraday. When electric current flows through a conductor, it produces a magnetic field. This magnetic field is now in contact with the magnetic field of the magnet. Both of the magnetic fields exert force on each other, but as the coil is not fastened, it starts rotating due to the magnetic force extended by the magnet.
This is brilliant. I think I'll never forget this working of DC motor.
Now, since last 2 minutes we have been talking about DC motors, do you know what DC means?
Yes, I think I know. DC means direct current. Am I right?
Yes, you are right. There is also another type of current called AC current, alternating current. In DC current, the current does not changes its direction, whereas in AC current, the current periodically changes its direction and forms a sine wave.
What is a sine wave?
Let me explain you. Can you please hold this for me?
Yes.
Now many people have misconception that current means transfer of electrons. It's not that. Current actually means transfer of energy from one point to another. Let me show you how. Can you please hold it like that? Okay. Now just look here. Do you see?
Yes.
Now we will make a wave, and this is how a sine wave looks like. You can
Oh.
also see the frequency, the wavelength through this, and that's how the AC current works.
Okay.
Now let me show you how I made this wave model. For this you need a sellotape and around 50 to 60 straws. The first thing you have to do is to put this sellotape on table with the sticky face facing up. And now just place these straws at an equal distance. And just pack the sticky part with another sellotape. This is how AC and DC current and motor works.